Hello. I'm sorry for looking like crap at the moment, but that's the way it is right now. This is a video response to Vagabond Steve's video. I didn't watch the whole video. I will do it, but it inspired me to make this video. You were talking about news, why there are so much bad news on TV. Well, as soon as you watch the news on TV, it's always scary things like people killing each other, war, and stuff like that. And you said, why isn't there just happy things? There's a Swedish poet called Bob Hansson. I listened to him for a couple of weeks ago. He was at a theater in town, and he said, whenever I doubt that the human is good, that we are, all humans are, from the beginning we are good, and in the bottom of our heart we want to do good for mankind. At the minute I doubt that fact, I turn on the news. And that is the evidence that we humans are good by nature. If you look at the news, what do they show you? War. People killing each other, stealing, and you may question me and say, how does that prove that we are good? Well, because it's news. Every time a human being does something bad, every time a human being is evil, it's news. It's not normal. It's not our nature. That's why we don't see happy stories on TV, because that's not interesting. We see that every day. And as soon as a human being does something bad, it's news. So every time I doubt that humans are naturally good and good-willing, I turn on the news and I'm convinced that by nature we all want to do good. Thank you for listening. This is just Wicked Swede. I'm gonna continue to study now. See you all. I love you.